Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and well guys, this video is based on my research. You might have noticed one thing. Sometimes you really work very hard, and when you take actual Ielts tests in listening module, you get low bench score, and that bench score is lower than your expectation. So I thought a lot about this phenomena, because whenever the result is announced, I receive hundreds of messages on my WhatsApp, and all the students, they just complain, "Sir, I'm not satisfied with my listening result. Should I go for EOR?" And according to me, EOR is useless for listening as well as for reading, because there is no chance of band increment. In my whole Ielts career, I have only seen one example where listening band score increased by half. Otherwise, listening and reading bands never improve in EOR. Then I started thinking, if the students are saying that I'm quite confident, we are very much confident, right? They say we are very much confident, but still we got low bench score. So along with that, I started conducting mock tests here in Lahore. And when I checked answers of the students in the mock test, then I came to know what is the problem. So I'm going to share all these things with you. If you watch this video carefully, at least you will not suffer from this very thing. The first thing is, on your listening answer sheet, whenever you write the answers on paper delivered Ielts, you must use all capital letters. I repeat, all capital letters on answer sheet. If the answer is black, capital B, capital L, capital A, CK, black, and all that, the first thing. Second, if the question type is multiple choice, like A, B, C, in listening we've got only 3 options. What do some students do sometimes by mistake? If A is London, B is Paris, C is New York, and the right answer is A, London, what do they do? Instead of writing letter A, they write London over there. I mean, in my last mock test, many students did this fatal mistake. So please, whenever there is multiple choice, A, B or C, the answer should be A, not the word that comes in A. And you cannot argue that, okay, it's only one word and all that. When they say choose a letter, the answer must be a letter, and you must use capital letter. Let's proceed. This is not the case. Sometimes what do the students do in listening? They write extra words. By writing extra words, their right answers are considered wrong. First of all, never write article in Ielts listening answer. I repeat, never write article in Ielts listening answer. What is article? A, an, the, some. Never write any of these articles, just write the word which is the answer. Sometimes you know what happens? They have already written A and then blank. They already write there the and then dash, and you write the second time as well, and the markers are wonderful, huh? They are the superior creature. So you have to be extra careful. Markers don't care. They have the answer key, they have your answer sheet, they match your answer sheet with the answer key, and they are making it correct or incorrect, and they don't care whether you spent a lot of money on Ielts listening or Ielts test and all that. They don't care about these things. So please be extra careful. Do not use article. Now, you must see very clearly, if the question type is no more than one word, and then if, for example, the answer is glass and you write a glass, or you write the glass, right, this answer will be considered wrong. It's a very common mistake. You got to be very careful. One word means only one word. Now, another common mistake, sometimes singular plural makes all the difference. How? If, for example, in the question it is dash are important, dash are important, and now the answer is apples. In the audio they speak the word apples and then are important. If you write apple singular and they have written are or have, for example, if they write dash have iron, dash have iron. Now, if it is written have, it means you must write apples. So, what do the students do? They write apple, and just because of that, their right answer will be considered wrong. Now, these are very, very careless mistakes. Believe you me, my colleague Yasin, who is really into Ielts and who knows a lot about Ielts, so he just shared all these things. He said, sir, look, this student could get 7 band easily, but because of these foolish mistakes, literally he used the word foolish mistakes, this student is going to get only 5.5. Right? So, markers will not care that this candidate found the right answer if it is not in singular plural, if there is any spelling mistake, if there is anything like that, you've written extra word, you will be getting low band score. So, as far as low band score in listening, or as per the expectations of the candidates, if they are getting low band score in listening, these are the reasons. Above all, there is one more thing. Guys, please improve your handwriting. Sometimes we don't know the letter you have written, is that O, A or E? The way some people write. I mean, never rush when you are solving the answer sheet, when you are solving question booklet. At that time, you can be quick. You can use your rough writing. We've got rough writing and neat writing. So when you are doing question booklet, when you are listening and writing the answers down, there you can use rough writing. But when you are solving answer sheet, please make your writing neat. Do not do that discursive writing, right? Or the writing where you joining writing, where you join the letters and all that. Never use joining writing on Ielts listening and reading answer sheets. I mean, you may get into trouble because when you join the letters for the markers sometimes, and markers will not give you any benefit of doubt that, okay, it looks like C, but actually the letter should be E, so they will make it wrong. They will never give you the benefit of doubt at all. So that's why it is for you to see your writing should be neat and clean. Use capital letters, singular, plural, and when you write the word in the blank, you must know what comes before and after that word. If you act upon all these things, I promise you will be able to get 1 band extra, and that 1 extra band is going to be the band that you require. Thank you very much, guys. I also teach Ielts online and on campus in Lahore. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.